Hey everyone, welcome back to PZ Master. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox you have been kicked for unexpected client behavior, error code 268. First, click the Windows icon, search for Run and open it. Type app data and press enter. Open the local folder. Find the Roblox folder, right-click on it and select Delete. Next, click the Windows icon, search for command prompt, right-click it and select Run as administrator. Now type the following commands one by one, pressing enter after each one. Config flushdowns. Config release. Config renew. After that, click the Windows icon and search for installed apps. Open it, find Roblox and click uninstall. Once Roblox has been removed, download and install the latest version of Roblox from the official website. After the installation is complete, launch Roblox and check if the error code 268 has been resolved. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Roblox you have been kicked for unexpected client behavior, error code 268. Like and subscribe to PZ Master for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.